of the sea, captivate with their sheer size and graceful movements. Among them, the blue whale holds the title of the largest animal to have ever lived on our planet, reaching lengths up to 100 feet. These creatures roam the vast oceans, primarily feeding on tiny krill, which they filter through baleen plates. Observing a whale breach the surface and shoot a column of water through its blowhole is not only a testament to its power, but also a crucial aspect of its respiratory process. As we delve deeper into understanding these oceanic behemoths, it's important to recognize the role they play in marine ecosystems, acting as key indicators of ocean health.